Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to share a story about an item it's really love and that holds special meaning in life. In my life, that item is book title Cerahkan Hidup dengan Belajar Al-Quran. This book is incredibly special to me because it was written by my own uncle, the late Muhammad Masri Muaz, MSc, and he personally gave to me in 2017. Yes, at the time I was around 11 years old and still in elementary school. I had just start learning more about religion and how to grow as person. My uncle gave me this book during the month of Ramadan, and he said, "I hope this book helps you understand how the Quran can guide your life." I always remember those words. The book is part. This book is part of a trilogy. It tells how the Quran brings light to people's lives and how millions of people around the world have found guidance through it. The book says every years about 24.4 millions people become Muslim after learning about the Quran. That really inspired me. It also talks about 7 smart ways to be a good Muslim. These are based on the laws of the Quran and the natural laws of life and world Sunnatullah or Sunnatullah. It teaches us to live a full and balanced way, not only following religion but also understanding how the world works. Yes. This book gives me peace, especially when I feel sad or confused. I like to read this book at night or when I need motivation. What makes it even more special is that it was written by someone I really respect. My own uncle. It's my uncle. There's a photo of him on the back of book, and every time I see, I feel proud. This book reminds me to keep learning, get closer to Allah, and one day help others like he did. So the item I love the most, not just book but a guide, a memory of my family and part of my spiritual journey since I was young. Maybe that's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.